Hi friends, welcome to Tuition Master. This is Jagannath Acharya, your Tuition Master. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the number system and its basics, right? So for any concepts to be understood in the coming days in mathematics, right, the first and foremost thing any student should need to know is number system basics. Without number system basics, you cannot learn the higher concepts in mathematics. It's very tough. So first, hold on a grip on number system basics so that you can learn any higher concepts easily. So let us start. First, so in number system, I am going to discuss about what are the kinds of numbers. After that, so what is prime factorization and what are factors, what are multiples, right? Then prime factorization, then kinds of LCM, HCF, and the process goes like this. Okay, so first let us start with the types of number system, types of numbers in the number system. Okay, so first, my dear friends, what is the first type of numbers in number system? Yes, exactly, natural numbers. Okay, so natural numbers. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Friends, the name itself represents natural numbers. That means the numbers which are used naturally. For example, suppose if I give a few number of balls into your hands and if I ask you to count them, so what will you do? You will start counting like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Right? You will not start counting from 0. Right? You will not start from 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. You will start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and onwards. Yes or no? So these 1, 2, 3, 4 until infinity are the numbers known as natural numbers. Okay, which are used for counting purpose. That's why we call these numbers as natural numbers. Okay. So natural numbers is generated by the letter n, right? And they are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So these are natural numbers. After that, suppose if I don't give any marbles into your hand and if I ask you how many marbles I have given to you, then what is your answer? You will say nothing, right? So to represent that nothing also, we should need a number. Yes or no? So what is that number? 0. That's it. Right, my dear friends? So when 0 includes with natural numbers, the whole set is known as whole numbers. When 0 included with natural numbers, the whole set is known as whole numbers. So the whole number starts from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by the letter W, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on until infinity. Got it? Next, after whole numbers, right? So what is the next kind of numbers we should know is, right, even numbers and then odd numbers. So what are even numbers? You know, even numbers are simply the numbers which are multiples of 2. Okay, all the multiples of 2 comes under even numbers, right? Starting from 0. So even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay. So even numbers. So starts from 0, 2, 4, 6 or all these what? Multiples of 2. Okay, they are divisible by 2. That's why they are known as even numbers. Okay, then what are odd numbers which are not divisible by 2? Simply I can say, odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers. Okay, so what are odd numbers? So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on until infinity. Okay, so these are all odd numbers, right, my dear friends? So what is the initial set of numbers we have in the number system? So we have started with natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. Okay, right. Now we will discuss what is a multiple and what is a factor. So very important because most of the children are getting confused with this one. Okay, they can't able to differentiate what is a factor and what is a multiple. So let us discuss that. Okay, friends, what is a multiple, or what are multiples of a number? For example, if I say two multiples are all the numbers which are coming in two table. Okay, so all those numbers are divisible by 2, right? So what are the, okay, I'm taking an example, right? So example, multiples of, okay, or else you can take multiples of 3. So what are multiples of 3? Okay, start saying, right? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. All these are multiples of 3. That means whatever be the numbers that are coming in the 3 table are known as 3 multiples. Right? So generally if we say multiples of some number, okay, what we mean is, right? So we are talking about the numbers which are coming in the table, in that number table. Okay, if I say 7 multiple, okay, 7 multiple means what? All the numbers which are coming in the 7 table. Okay, just like, okay, 7, 14, 21, like that. Okay, next. So what do you mean by factor? It's very, very important. When I say factors of a number means if you take a number, right, then what are all the numbers that can divide this number? For example, if I say, right, let us take an example. I want factors of 12. Factors of 12 means we have to write all the numbers which can divide 12 starting from 1. Okay, so let us start. So what are the factors of 12 here? Right? So what is the first number that can divide the 12? Yes, 1. So next, 2. Is it divisible? Yes. 2 is divisible. Next, 3. Yes, 3 can divide 12. So 3 is a factor of 12. Okay, next 4 is a factor of 12. Next 5. No, it can't divide. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Okay, next 6. Next 12. So these are all the factors of 12. These are all the factors of 12. Factors of 12 means what? Okay, all these numbers are factors of 12 so that they can divide the 12. 1 can divide 12, 2 can divide 12, 3 can divide 12, like that. So these numbers can divide the 12. That's why they are known as factors of 12. Okay, these are the examples of multiples of a number and factors of a number. Multiples of a number means what? Once again, okay, multiples are nothing but tables, right? So multiples are nothing but tables. That means the numbers which are coming in the specific tables. For example, okay, my question, is 12 a multiple of 3? Yes. Okay, 12 is a multiple of 3. Why? Because in 3 table 12 will come. Are you getting my dear friends? Similarly, right? Coming to factors, is 9 a factor of 27? Yes, because 9 can able to divide 27. Are you getting? So this is the main difference between multiples and factors. Okay, now let us move on to divisibility rules. Okay, which is very, very important.